yeah, I'll say see you to Danny.
See you later, people.
Bye bye. Just about to embark on the Needles. Hopefully I don't make a hash of this leaving because I'm on my own. I've sheltered up just outside Yarmouth on the Isle of Wight. I'm about to embark on the Needles. All being well, it should take me a couple of hours to get down there from where I am now. Wind's not favourable just yet, it's a westerly wind at the minute, but we can tack up wind and hopefully get there in good time. So yeah, and hopefully the weather should brighten up a bit later on today as well, so fingers crossed when we get there it's looking a little bit better. At the minute it's just cool, not too cold, not too warm, in between. Looking forward to it. It's the first time around the Needles, so it's got to be interesting. I'm looking forward to this. It's got to be fantastic. Finally, sailing round the Needles. Sails up, wind's in the right direction. It's one of them on the to-do list. I can see them sailing fine, so I thought I'd go for it. But it was just rough and horrible, really bad. And as you can see now, it's just nice and steady, flowing. Just got out the worst, I think. And then the next job's across the shipping lanes for Portsmouth next. Yeah, an experience, another lesson. For next time. Yeah, onward bound. Of all the people to bump into on the east side of Cowes. It's only you go, boss. Alex Thompson's old boat. Alex Thompson is the fastest British solo sailor to race in the Vendée Globe World Yacht Race. It's a foiler, that one. Bit quicker than me. Captain's log, stardate 9th of August 2050. Memories of summers past. How miserable is this? Look at this. It's dull, grey, miserable. Joe. It's going to make for an interesting sail today as well. The winds are going to be variable off sounds of it. There's some thundery storms around the Thames, but I'm still 100 miles from the Thames at the minute, so anything can change along this route now. They reckon it's going to be like 4-6, which is around say 30 mile an hour winds, 25-30, somewhere around that. So sea state will be quite choppy, but I coped with it well yesterday. It was pretty rough out there. Bumped into Alex Thompson's old boat as well. That was quite good to watch. It was quite cool actually, because it finished my trip round the Isle of Wight. As I've gone round the Needles, got to the other side, he was coming out of Portsmouth, and I was just bombing it along at the time, and next thing he's bombing it even faster. yeah, so it was pretty cool that to watch. I've never seen his boat in person. I've just seen it. I followed his racing the other year. He was the fastest man around the world, the fastest British man around the world, on a Hugo Boss foiling boat with I think 3DI sails, if I've got my facts right, and the rapid. Whereas mine will do maximum, with everything in its favour, about 8 mile an hour. They can pick up anything 30 plus. They go some. I could have done with one of them today. But yeah, I'm on a bit of an endurance race. I've enjoyed it. It's been good, but it's time to go home now. So it's the boring bit. It's the miserable bit now. The bit where you're thinking it's nearly over. But I'll be glad of my bed. I will be glad of my bed. It's very fatiguing sailing. You've got to be very fit to do it as well, which I don't admit I'm any athlete or anything like that, but when I'm limited for time, because you can only get so much time off work, so it's just one of them things. The bills have to be paid and you have to do it in between. But it's enjoyable, love it. But it's time to head home now, so I'm just outside Selseybill. I'm going to now head down past Brighton, see how far I can get. If I can get to Folkestone, that's an absolute bonus, but it's, like I said, that's about 100 miles, so I'm happy if I can do about 50-60 miles today. We'll see what the weather brings on the way. But yeah, carry on. We've done the Needles, we've met Hugo Boss. Now time to get over to Eastbourne. Definitely made the right choice pulling into Eastbourne Marina. Before you go guys, don't forget hit the subscribe button. Things can only get better.